Hi, I'm Belinda Carley, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fantastic eye bag serum that works on key mechanisms of action to reduce the puffiness, usually with eye bags, to lighten the area under the eye to reduce the appearance of the eye bags, and to firm and strengthen the underlying structures to reduce eye bags as well. Let me show you the product and how it's put together. This is the product we're going to be making here. Now I've made it into an eye bag serum texture that will suit a rollerball type application. And when applied, it rubs straight into the skin. So the consumer gets this instant absorption and results. Now one of the key ingredients in this product is cytobiolumini. This very clever ingredient has a few mechanisms to provide its outstanding results. You can see some of the amazing in vivo efficacy data, and this comes from the combination of materials in cytobiolumini. There is ash bark extract, which increases microcirculation and reduces the degradation of haemoglobin to reduce the appearance of darkness. It has an antioxidant activity and it strengthens blood capillaries to prevent degradation. And it strengthens blood capillaries for flow and removals of waste. It's titrated in esculin and fraxin to ensure efficacy. There is also organic silicon. This helps support capillaries for microcirculation and drainage, and vitamin B3 for an overall lightening effect. Now to put this product together, I'm going to start with water and glycerin that I have here. I'm then going to combine a small amount of caprylic capryc triglycerides and some Instathix. Now the Instathix in this formula is acting as my emulsifier, and it's a great 4-in-1 material that makes putting the emulsion together easy and also very stable. I'm just going to mix this in, then heat and emulsify my two phases. Once this is cooled below 40 degrees, we can add our active and also add our preservative and antioxidant. Now we can check and adjust pH. And there we have our eye bag serum. Now don't worry on the day you make it if it looks a little low in viscosity and a little gel-like. By the next day it will thicken up to have a slightly higher viscosity and slightly more creamy texture, but still perfect for a serum application. Well, there you go. That's how to create this high-performing eye bag serum. By looking at the mechanisms that form eye bags and then using an active that combats these mechanisms means we can get some fantastic in vivo results. Now, if you're after smaller quantities of any of these materials, remember you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group and split packs with others near you so that you can access these high-performing ingredients for the best possible results for your brand's products too. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!